Right, so x lúide hín codra náid to x codra hín agus to x móide cethair codra náid x codra lúide cethair. Ok, tá sí le f da hín agus sin codra dá móide a lúide 7 móide b codra náid so you to a móide b codra lúide móide 5. Ok, darnichan f da lúide cethair agus you to dá fa lúide cethair cúbithe plus a fa lúide cethair cearnithe lúide 7 fa lúide cethair plus b. Jackar scríwer pepper scrúdi seo ní sé go just scríwen ar déile, but anyway. So tá sin codra so lúide cethair cúbithe so ceir fa ceir 7 fa ceir 60 cethair fa dá an céad fisa 8. So to fa lúide céad fisa 8 móide 7 a móide lúide ceir fa 7 sin caraha ceir 60 8 móide b. So you to 7 a móide b codra bun 60 8 más céad fisa 6 agus you to 60 so rísta sin codra 60. Which is in and then gen simultaneous equation so curmid cheese a plus b codra 5 add in quota minus agus minus so you to 5 a to b caluma codra cara quick so to a codra 3 agus you to 3 plus b codra 5 so to b codra 2 agus sin é janta.
No, it's actually from -4.
How much?
-68.
No, it's yeah minus it. Minus for minus plus. Minus and sharp minus cethair for minus sharp and plus. So to me do so it's plus. Was it okay good? Yep. Right. Some markers is actually. Oh, det är sin just now. Okay. Right. Now, can you? Right. Then you be able to just brew my pot. Right. So, what did the end shot to go the factory? So, I'm locked in chicken. You to x bracket against bracket. You to x for x. You to heen for dog. Minus agus plus so sinna chéice. Ceanna go bon you to x for x lúide 3 a rincher ag go buir an sin a rís tígan factorize you to x for x hín for cethair plus agus hís ag go bon an sin you to bracket you to x for x dá for 3 minus agus no yes an go over minus agus plus test and go over. Yeah. Okay. Now, raised g animation chance you to x plus heen for x lúide dá is going x for x lúide 3 and then to me go add her shock g medu. So mad me drink g medu chop me chop bonus gun. So you to x plus dá for x lúide 3 a legus gun x plus heen for x plus cethair. Right, x plus heen amola x plus heen, right, x lúide 3 amola x lúide 3 and therefore to make la x lúide dá for x móide dá is gan x for x móide cethair. Okay, agus sinné. Now, hockla to buir a bit ma, you to x carnithe lúide cethair. Agus mé dín bon you to x carne móide cethair agus sin na freigur. Okay. So fairly straightforward. Was you okay listen? Finige? cehar Jake scholar is a shishibli agus fisi heen scholar is a quick you go in.
Was it the Athbhréithniú football club?
Yeah, really good football. Right. Right. Yeah, Kishale. Mata x carne plus shart x plus dou you're going to factor the x cubed plus px squared minus dou x plus r. Find the value p equals r. Do you understand? Right. Right. Further. So ratio to x carne plus shart x moja dou y the ranter x cubed here plus px carne luja dou x moja r. Right. So these be the answer for x. So x for x carne to x cubed, x for shart x you to shart x carne here, x for dou y you to dou y x. Add a coti minus minus equals minus to shinny calima. So mit fakila p luja shart midi for x carne here minus dou x minus dou y x and minus carj x. Oh. Minus carj x. Okay, plus r. Made the hand for p minus shart. So plus p minus shart. So you to p minus shart x carne here plus shart for p minus shart x plus dou y for p minus shart. Lean if we shouldn't like, I guess that in the quote minus minus I guess minus to shouldn't calima and therefore to make facula minus carj minus shart for p minus shart leak midi for x plus r minus dou y for p minus shart. Okay, my way to shinema you to minus carj minus shart p plus shart for shart carani cosmla 0. So you to minus shart p cosmla when carj amas carani so to draw quick. So to shin trasna you to minus draw quick so to p cosmla quick. Okay, I guess you can journal to r minus dou y p plus r mukeha cosma 0. So you to minus so r cosma dou y p minus r mukeha so to r cosma dou y midi for quick minus r mukeha so to r cosma shaska minus r mukeha r cosma minus physica. I guess in agent. So find the value of p with r. So get erased cash brev forest again. Okay. Cardi getting hinkin alien in it. Well, to done will idea be we can alien it. 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 less or equal to 0. Find the values, solve the following inequalities. So the question to ramshe luane da x. To the wild Patrick. What do we do? Did you go right, Ben?
2 squared minus 4 equals 3 squared.
So just get it solved. So how do we solve a quadratic equation? Factorize. Yeah, this is factorize. Now, so mark it to factorize. So raise to dou x carne good plus shart x luja keha ni slu na cosma 0. So we factorize. So bracket 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 equals bracket you to dou x for x you to heen for keha plus equals minus. Now quite to show cosma 0. So you to dou x cosma heen x cosma le equals x cosma luja keha. So that's the fragger go. But nyama rain. Do you have my yenu national covenant in your be? Going for inequalities. Kai to go in. Kai to go in check here. So mark it as the quadratic equation. To the golic minus keha and short equals to the gol free le and short. So to go is in screw the for 0. So kai mit screw the and for x cosma notch. So you to do for notch carne here plus shart for notch luja keha ni slu na cosma 0. the luigi cehar ní slú na codma 0 tá sin fia so tascam na scoil náid mar part an frigre so tan frigre galvé idir luigi cehar agus lia so frigre luigi cehar ní slú na codma x ní slú na codma lia and there you have it. But now in jam with the check here and go any for inequality. Make it as inequality. Okay. Make into a inequality to encounter again into a check you go any for that fraggy. It's okay. Right. Get a second listen to screw or was you alright? Negative. I don't think we should add the alien in show.
Well, you know what we done the last the Sigma one?
See?
Sigma.
Ah. Well, fine. You my paper. I don't worry. Took you an easier paper. The limb ship.
So that in the test, yeah.
Oh, aye. Now, into screw do. Shh. How can journal on my left? How could binomial expansion journal on my left? So my sample. I hope we anticipate just lock my sample and show it. So I just lock my page journal, right? Blank page. Oh, sin kiss chocolate vienna. Sin kiss na chocolate vienna. Right? Now, what's the my freeze binomial expansion? No, check them my paper scrutiny this binomial expansion is alright. But just short kiss now short kiss more. That's worth 40 marks. Now pretend like it's just going to be worth 50 marks. Okay? Right, so to A, B, C, D is equal to A. Now test called guaranteed test cost less shot. Not exactly, but similar. Okay, and it's all right during the run bit, so that should be easy then.
Is this the big one or the small
This,
one?
what do you mean the big one or the small one?
The big question or the small?
Test more, 50 marks is test more. Right, now, carbon jigs a radioactive isotope of an element carbon is used to carbon dating its decay can be modified to function. So the me has from this formula F comma B for exponential T kp. Okay? Actual F and mass journal is to 14 kilograms equal T in delta and B is the initial amount. So to B and kid amount. Now in grams of carbon 14 and K is the decay constant. Now the half-life, the time it takes for half the mass to decay of carbon 14 is 5,730 years. The question shown physics in June. Okay? Now, if the original mass of carbon 14 is 1 kilogram, show that K is equal to natural logs of 0.5 is 5,730. Right. So the McGilly test will go to K cosmos. So basically, let's you know that because I talk to Dewey, we got a linear star formula. So yeah, we're okay. And shouldn't do anything cash or go need. And the linear star formula, yeah, where you will you to put the clean that shot. BG anything now just stop us in the set equation. That's 0 marks. You don't do that. Like he showed that. That means listen to all the shot and you're right at this. So you should have them right. How to clean that K equals. Right. So mark look at this is the formula. To F cosmla. B more E to the KT. Okay, now Mahashmi jar Fiedwi. J Hashmid Lesh. Carbon 14 of isotope, so the F is the final mass remaining in kilograms at any time T in years C. B and B is the initial amount in grams of carbon 14 and K is the constant. So the half-life of time takes for half of the mass to decay of carbon 14 is 5,730 years. Shinime jam locking shadow to decay to half its strength. Okay, right. So kaiti dash image and shan. Where do we start? Right. so much a T cosmon nimni, what is the full strength? Look, so doing actually mass about a had of it, look, so doing your mass. You hope so actually mass on one to be doing. Okay, part 8 is against it. If the original mass of carbon 14 is 1 kilogram, so test going T cosma 0 te F cosma F cosma he. F is the final mass, or to B cosma he. The F cosma he and the B cosma he. Actually inverse, because Mohammed Shah F cosma he to the Golobra or B cosma he. But re-swim for each. So when I me off, head with the final amount 1 kilogram of T cosma 0. So T cosma 0 and there's the F cosma he in kilogram. Okay, so you do he in kilogram, cosma B e to the K midi for T and 0. So raise the he in cosma B e to the 0, so to be cosma he in kilogram. So these, that's the initial amount, right? So to be cosma he in kilogram. Now, in J, the half-life at time it takes for half of its mass to decay. So J Harlan ye quick wheel shashi trahablian. Tashai 5 kilogram. 0.5 kilogram. So near the T cosmla, quick wheel shashi trahablian, taskud gwal F and as cosmla 0.05 kg. Okay, so to majadishin as lina shas the formula shaw reached. So reached you to name punch a quick cosmla heen B for or to B is B is 1 E to the K midi for T. So shin quick wheel a short here troha. Okay, now so you have to natural logs that name punch a quick cosmla natural logs that E to the 5730 K. Okay, next to is quarter to K. So J image, obviously natural logs they call them E. So test good nesqual quick vila shart head troha K cosmla natural logs the name punch a quick. So to K cosmla natural logs the name punch a quick is skun quick vila shart head troha. I guess sooner right here in the tugging in job. And there you have it. It's an okay again. We're fairly straightforward. Okay, just blockish at Thomas a block I live the other 3 where I just go hiding in hand. Okay? Right, I'm today. Right, part B. So just for much what's the good then you beat the still a screen. Right, so part B, a research scientist is presented with the document that says the writings of a soldier from the Trojan War circa 1250 BC, so 1150 BC, so around 3250 years ago. After testing it is found that the parchment contained 1 by 10 to the power of minus 12 grams of carbon 14. So that's what did you make carbon 14 into the Egyptian. Okay, so calculate the original amount of carbon 14 in the parchment. So we refer to F. Detail for 2. Detail for 2. What's it for 2? That's going to equal K. That's going to equal K cosmol natural logs of 0.5 is going 5730. After test is found that the parchment contained 1 by 10 to the power of minus 12 grams of carbon 14. So shouldn't meet carbon per packet. So calculate the original amount of carbon 14 in the parchment. Right, we go take my disability in. That's just my disability. Disability in. And my back is the cash get my would you because it's moon top party all that. Right, listeners to show able to the whole lot to you. Some sin do is done is then. Right, GNS the screwed. Just smooth you GNS near machine shell line to do la journey. So could you go the NS the screwed? You go to the toilet. Good man then. Eh? Come on. Just to go the NS. The mega J. Species against the G. Come on. Then we add the fragra horti. Sorry, I should go with it. Sorry, I'm off the kitchen. Jimalash. Right, get cashed. East. Just means you work it. When we quite to A, when we quite to B. I throw to the right shop. Original lab. The original amount. So just more quite B. Right, so the quite to B. Right, so Lena started the formula on that. Right, JF on question. Then we add this to zero there. That's the amount that's remaining. So J made the remaining. 1 by 10 to the power minus 12. Now if you could have some grams. And with the then kilograms. Minus 15, yes, so to 3 LLS. You divide by 1000, so you divide by 1000, that means you multiply by 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 12 by 10 to the power minus 3 is 10 to the power minus 15. So, what if I so good and Shen? You do 1 by 10 to the power of minus 12 minus 15 kilograms. Quadrumla B E. Now, J to K. Task with K is natural logs, that's 0.5 is going 5730 T. I guess Jimmy Blian 3,250 years. I guess next to me quarter B. So to B quadrumla 1 by 10 to the power of minus 15 is gone exponential the natural logs the 0.5 is gone 3750 midi for 3250. and then just cushion the shandy calculator.
Where do you get the
3250, around 3,250 years ago. Oh, the Shaw, the 3750 Shaw, the Shin no Gunyo part A. K is equal to natural log of 0.5 made the 5730. Yes?
Yeah.
Right. Would then be fragmented. So to be cosmla. There's a Peter my calculator. Oh, Sean. Right. Yes, you to figure it out 1.48143 1916 by 10 to the power of minus 15 kilograms. So shouldn't it figure? Okay, you to gain put your care or he need to have the jig worth to lose your quick jig kilograms. That's the original amount. It's no okay good. Yeah, is it okay listen? Right. Right, kid part A. Part B. Right. For part B in Chen, it is known that parchment from this area usually contain the rain of 1.3 by 10 to the power of minus 12 grams of carbon 14, taking the final I just opened the whole mouth for Sean, I should have this repeated. Oh no, it's a leak answer, so more much I'll be for seconds and that.
Well, that's supposed to be easy. That's supposed to be easy.
Because realistically, I'm genuinely kidding yourself. No.
Honey,
No.
in the yellow, eh?
You're the head, did you hear the
Oh, the union. You know about back there right here. Me here over here.
Check
Right.
how was that?
No, I'm never going to check that.
No, you can just check.
Right, anyway, claims you got.
Bit of X on it.
It is known that parchment from the area usually contains in the range of 1.3 by 10 to the power minus 12 grams of carbon 14. So taking the final amount at 1 by 10 to the power 12 grams, calculate the age of the document and explain if you believe it to be the genuine or a fake. So the question sent to Ms. Part 2. Age of the document is Ms. Worthy. T. Right, so next to B and S shouldn't B, and it shouldn't F. Okay, so go solve for B, for T. Okay, so get the jar now. So you do 1 by 10 to the power of minus 15 erased G kilogram. Now how can I guys in grams is the figure of horch? Because the Sean grams like Sean grams how can I check out the doye? Tasha, but just the message just got G kg because it's just habits in physics. Okay, so you do 1 by 10 to the power of minus 15 cosmla 1.3 by 10 to the power of minus 15 e to the natural log the 0.5 is gone GV 3750 50t. Okay, so toss me off you do 1 by 10 to the power of minus 15 is gone 1.3 by 10 to the power of minus 15 cosmla e to the power of natural log the 0.5 is gone 3750t. Okay, now we am chin he a wrench or 1.3 I guess you to j is going to 3 jig, so we'll just stick to that. So you to j is going to 3 jig natural log the shin actually natural log the j is going to 3 jig Gulliver Cosmo natural log the e to shin gully haluma, so we factor natural log the 0.5 is going 3750t. So the t Cosmo natural log the j is going to 3 jig around their natural log, the 0.5 around their 3750. And then just question the start the calculator. So to figure that vi céad níthe trí pointe sé neamh ní trí searta ort blian, which is equivalent to 2194 years. Which is okay. Oh, Coming your skull. To me just to go to 5 7 30. That should be 5 7. Actually, I remember mistaken. Shin K is 5 7 30. So behol commission 5 7 30. Can you manage a mission? So it's a single letter because there was a mistake, but at least just because of that should be 5 7 30. Good job. 5 7 30. I must have said 3 7 5 0. So much just left it. Was it okay? Good. Just because of my little figures. Right. Anyway, just because of my little figures, behind this anyway. 5 7 30. Not 3 7 50. Right. 5 7 30 harder than net 3 7 50. Right. Right, check my paper on us. Dave, thank you, man. Yeah, education for you practice actually, because the Kilmer Shoggle heart needs to screw the faster. Right, huh? I was in progress contact zones anyway, so I must allow. I'm a sign the figure contract, so criteria. Right. Now, soon the right count is run my chain, into rank 40 solve for P and Q. Prove that the function that has only one real root, run my chain, kindy and my chain. The rest you have to guess. X cos my heen, Luigi heen, dal, Luigi dot 3, Luigi 3. But the counting good run my chain the paper screw diation minus 3 was X equals 3, and therefore you into rank 40, and then you have to just bring go B squared minus 4AC niece slew na 0. Yeah, you should just figure it out because there's two non-real roots, so you're only going to get one. Yeah, you do X cosmol Luigi 3. Right, Kunshin. Hey, you go leading shot. Get what for the hard channel like it, could you? Leak dog 3 to the power of X cosmol. Shinny Ked Road before he shot the hiking neck to summer shot. Make it as a shot 3 to the power. So it's out to 3 to the power of X. So leak dog 3 to the power of X with cosmol Y. Can you give a shen? So next add a shot. So to 3 to the power of 2x plus 1, cosmol 3, maybe for 3 to the power of x squared. Shouldn't exactly what count. Well, and then you okay catch one more shen. Because it's 3 to the power of 1 is just 3. X squared is dou x plus he. You can show because the indices. So it is you have to 3 multiplied 3x squared plus fios sé multiplied 3 to the power of x minus 9 cosmos 0. Okay, so next you to 3y squared plus fios sé y minus 9 cosmos 0 ran on with the 3 you to y squared plus by 3 shan fios sé on your that. So we just factorize. Okay, so factorize you to 3y for y heen for 9 3 9 fios shart so sin plus agus shaw minus. So to y cosmos heen 3 or to y cosmos luge 9 and then we solve. Okay again. Okay, now raised to y cosmos 3 to the power of x, so to 3 to the power of x cosmos heen is going to 3 to the power of x cosmos 3 to the minus 1 because it is because it indices to the 3 stress x equals minus 1. 3 to the power of x equals minus 9, 3 to the power of x equals minus that does not work. Negative value. Now to make plus 9 sin, it would be 3 squared x equals 2, but finish for minus the ton can't be solved. Okay, that's an okay again. Kiss press straightforward. Right. Right minus what can there be Ellen sin? First principles in St. John thing. It would be sin canalinas logs okay, so example m equals log 10 of I over I to the power of 0 must reach it where short can the cast 0 and mark the text exactly. Do you know what the height of Kanya when it's right? This is over I over I to the 0. Do you have it in this? Can we just spread us a cost range it on spread them a log and we subtract. So it will be log 10 of I minus log 10 of I 0. So you can see that's all you need to remember. You rhyme a feed but should know it anyway. It's the same thing and then just lean a solve the usual carry on if it's against it. Just watch your units. I guess in rod through you get be or sin right forward and assume my cast this would be a sample of a proof. I don't know how much I but I can make it to your show. This is part proof by contradiction. What is proof by contradiction? So just squeeze the thumb. How much indeed? What is an irrational number? So these just squeeze the thumb and give an example and then to question shin. State in the region of the following Venn diagram represent the set of rational numbers. So where's the set of irrational numbers in region? Right. N is natural numbers, what's an irrational? 10 and year. Right, shake test what is irrational? A cavista. Could you write A cavista? Huh? Chodan is rational. Shin cavista. So what's A cavista? Square root is pi. So now why did you get George said? Meaning could you write ever A cavista. So shin ever na feature a screw mar. Ever na feature screw mar chodan. Okay, ever na feature a screw mar chodan. Sample square root 2, square root 5, pi. Okay? Now n is natural. Whole numbers, so therefore this is not irrational. Set integers, erased positive and negative whole numbers therefore cannot be irrational. Real numbers to state the shop is every single number. So must the split the obviously to what they gotta be rational I guess are rational. Now what the shop we're part of R, these means they're all rational. So this has to be irrational. So should I get it to the other side? Now it's more density. Type diagram which I'll already. Now it's a wee bit trickier than this one. So you need to know your stuff. So just be aware, just output out how much a free chop. N is natural. said and so on. So that diagram got a rub with striking. Okay. So obviously, what the shinny chart in is, the J chart in is. That'll be no kiss or could be kiss more kiss breaking you coming go. Right, so shinny chart going so okay let's shin. McQuarrie can la now that's see Tom was on some this in the kitchen fact man look for paper school these think if this could be one of them. Right? Now mark at this sort of diagram in the chat, right? Identify the following functions as injective, surjective or bijective. So here come. Hello. Injective, surjective or both. Averjective, yeah. So tasha in chalga, tasha J chalga, boy chalga, so therefore tasha J chalga. Darna come, Emma. In chalga, penania. Yeah, tasha in chalga because the next map could be Y different. Right, so tasha, what's boy chalga? Yeah, because the Y and shaw now all mapped. Okay, so when he get to Gizeton, so she show really fun. Okay, so therefore, the caution is a boy chalga, ni English away, J chalga. So therefore, you show N chalga. Chun shaw Rashi. What's N chalga? Pen and Nia. Nia, could hear? Because the X Golgogene Y kernel, they're not individual. The X a Golgogene Y kernel means ni English way N chalga. What's boy chalga? Because tahan Y map as G X, so that's fine. Tahan Y mapped G X, so therefore tasha boy chalga ni English way J chalga Mariano what's N chalga. What's no pay gana? That's a nice easy question. Right? Now Shin Keshja Lynchin and Nash Rod Kernel was Yanni Yenu. The N codma R E to the KT. Now to the R all this and shed. Now the T codma 0 to K bacteria. So the Majata R up and off the R going to be codma K. That's obvious. Right? 5 hours later. 5 hours later, so there's the T codma quick test with this well N codma Shay K and we solve for K. Did you get it in any or was you okay? Was you alright? It's a fairly easy right here in the so they just stop all the shot, the equation and so on. Was you okay Lashan? Now negation and shen, how many hours will the hour representing the plate have to be 12,000? So the quarter N cosma doyeg meal solve for T and so on. Shin kestjale to Mijani Yenu, so it's a synagogue. Right. Right, just go free kiss to Anchilem and the bell, right? But you test a kiss just as an example. X minus 1 over x to the power of 16. Now, never get actually again a what? But Kane Charmer at the nurse play at the x. Can you go make any short devil that journal? Kane Charmer at the nurse play the x. So cancel that. So we'll try it in Charmer and screw she's do. So the shade J gone. Kane cancel our boy. 16 choose. Till you have the shade J. Alright. So it's 16 choose. So to go hash it off, let's can you hear the formula? It's 16 choose 8. So to go to x to the power of 8. X to go to minus can x to the power of 8. Shouldn't count independent of x because my them so surely you up. You must 16 choose 8. Question is sharing the calculator. So second away, you to 1270 for x to the power of 8 over x to the power of 8. The Shinikaluma. So you can shift? The Shinikaluma, so therefore your answer is 1287. That's the term independent of x. So when you count your shed, could be on your exam. How much year more could you than China need? And test more stuff I'm separating you. This will be fine.
It's on the test, right? You do
Eh?
you don't need to do the whole
You don't need to do the whole thing, all you need to do is the halfway line. But Shinma Chinese. Now, Shinma Chinese, the term independent of x. Now square the x. Now, Chinese solve the equation that I can hold. I can hold up in. So, we couldn't allow the kiss. We couldn't allow the kiss. Okay? I guess I have more.
I'll need it. Oh no, I put it in the